Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Brittany here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I wanted to do a project share of a swap I participated in. This swap is hosted by Tiffany on her Facebook page, Coffee, Cake, and Crafty. And this is a one-on-one swap called Christmas Morning. And so there was different elements that we had to do in this swap, and it was quite a bit, but I had so much fun doing it. So first off, we had to do an altered box or gift bag or something like that, and we had to put all of our elements inside of it. So I made this. I know it's kind of hard to see from the angle of the camera, but I will insert pictures at the end of how everything looks, so that way you have a better idea. And I'm pretty sure you'll see the photos of this on my Instagram as well. And of course, you know that this video will be going up after my partner has received her swap. So I used the Miss Claus collection from Michael's. It was a hot buy last year. It was my favorite Christmas collection that they had came out with, and I absolutely love it. And I created this little like Rudolph bow with the little antlers, and I did some tulle going all the way across with some sequin trim. Then I trimmed all the way on the inside and the outside, and I know, again guys, it's difficult, but I'll insert the pictures later. So that is the container that I had created, and I did make it out of chipboard, and it is perfect enough to slide in and out of a medium size priority flat rate box. So we also had to create 2 4-packs of decorated embellishments, and then 2 4-packs of naked embellishments. And naked embellishments are embellishments that the recipient can decorate and utilize themselves. So you guys remember my cute little accordion tote. I did a tutorial on this, and if you guys missed out on that, I'll make sure I have that linked for you as well. So this is the one that I made on that tutorial, and now I'm not going to go through so much detail. I'm just going to show you what I had inserted. So here's one of my naked embellishments. These are the Coco and Reno July flower dies, and these are so cute. And I just added little stamens in the center, and I used the papers from the collection. Absolutely love that. And then I had been wanting to make this embellishment for a while, and I finally did. And I made the little mini book charms. Oh my gosh, look how cute they are. They're so cute. And then I made a little flower charm, this little acorn charm dangling on the side there. And then it says Merry on the front, and then Christmas on that first page. And I just kept it very simple because there's not really much room to decorate on there. And then the next one, I believe, is an embellished, or no, maybe it's naked. Ah! Yeah, these are the naked ones, and then these are just some rosettes that I did using the collection, and then this is using glitter paper here. So here is a naked one, and then my other embellishment are these really cute present bowls. So they're a little bit flattened right now. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, I did an Instagram story of showing off these cute little bows, but like they're a little flattened right now, but like when she wants to use them, all she has to do is just kind of fluff them up a little bit and give them back their shape. So stinking cute. And those are the embellishments. Then we had to do a set of note cards with envelopes, and so I created this box here. Now this will look very familiar to you. I also did a tutorial on this, and the tutorial was actually in reflection of this. In the tutorial, the box was a little bit smaller, and this one I did first because I wanted to try to fit my note cards in it. And so so the tutorial was a smaller version, and of course I'll have that linked. But here is the box. There's the sides there, there's the back, and I just did some simple embellishing on the top, the Merry Christmas piece, and then it is the Velcro closure. So then when you open it up, you have the note cards on one side and you have the envelopes on the other. And I even did a half circle cut in the front, so it's easier to grab the cards, and the envelopes are all the same. I used the paper from the collection, this cute little gift die cut, and then these are those little foil rub-ons, and it says Merry Christmas. And then the note cards, I did a circle one with the flowers that I gifted her, and then in glitter foam I did Merry Christmas. And then on the inside I did some stamping and embossing, and it says Season's Greetings. And that's just it. So something very cute and simple. I think it turned out so lovely. I just love this box. So yeah, in the tutorial it was a smaller version of this, but this is the original one that I had made that gave me the inspiration to go ahead. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna make a tutorial for y'all. Alright, so next we had to do a memory dex card, and this should be probably familiar as well. I did a tutorial. I did a tutorial on this. This is using the Cricut Joy and how to create a memory dex card. And this is my little truck memory dex, and I created a little box here to insert this little dimensional tree with the little flower punches, and it says "'Tis the Season." And then on the back we were to put our name, social media, our favorite Christmas album, and our most useful gift. And so my favorite Christmas album, I don't have an album in particular. I am all about just like the original classics, not so much the remakes, just the original classics. And the most useful gift is my children's independence. Woo, sweet baby Jesus, yes. Like, oh, you don't need me to do that for you anymore? Thank you. Okay. So honestly, I was stuck and I could not figure out what my most useful gift was. And you know me, I'm a clown. So, there's that. So that is that one. And then next we had to use, so you guys know a while back I've posted a few. I haven't done any lately, but Tiffany does #52 projects every week over on her channel, Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill, and are just ways of keeping that crafty mojo going and flowing. And so we had to pick a project from the #52 projects, and then if they were of a smaller project, we had to create multiples. Well, mine was a smaller, all right? So I did the little drawer box, and oh, this is so stinking pretty. I just love this freaking paper. And again, I did the tulle wrapping on across, and then the glitter, or not glitter, sequin trim, and then I did a bow at the top, and then I did another one of my little present bows. And then in each drawer has some fun stuff. So I have some of those little knitted hats in there. I have some flowers. She is a fan of purple, so I wanted to make sure I threw something like that in there. I also made some resin pieces, and these are cute little presents. This is actually like a candy mold, but you know us, we gotta utilize something for something else. And what else I put in here? I have buttons in here, and then I also gifted her some of the little reindeer bows, and I did share these on my Instagram as well. And so that is that. I love that. So stinking cute. Alright, so the next thing we had to create were 3 tags, and they had to at least be 3 by 4.5 or bigger. So here are my tags. They're all exactly the same. They just have different sayings on them. That has the "to from" on the back. I used my little reindeer bow. I did dry embossing, and then I took my little ink pen and then added the embossing powder on top of the embossed look, and then embossed that. And then I added some Nuvo drops, and then again, each one has a different sentiment. So this one is #joy, and then there's Noel and believe on there. So it did very simple on the tags, which is very hard for me, you know. And then next thing we were to do was a store-bought gift valued at $5. I'm not going to show that. You're going to have to check out her channel. I don't even think I mentioned it. Lynn, who is Gift Diva here on YouTube, was my partner. I don't even think I mentioned that. But, so I'm not going to show that. You're going to have to go ahead and go check out her channel and see what I gave her as far as the $5 gifts or whatnot. Another thing we had to create were ornaments, a handmade ornament. No, we just had to do an ornament. Didn't matter if it was handmade or not. And so I had put it in this box. This is using the We Are Memory Keepers box punch board, and I got it on clearance from Joann's. And you just open it up, and I have like a bunch of little crinklies in here. And so, well, one of the ornaments, it was from a project share that I did. I did numerous ones. It was a project share that I did last year, and I forgot I even still had one. And so I did these little lanterns from Dollar Tree last year, and then I used little deer head, and it says Merry Farmhouse Christmas. Like, these are all ornaments, and then I just added some fun embellishing to it. So I wanted to gift that to her. I forgot I even had these. But the other things I made were these cute little gnome ornaments. Look at it! Oh my gosh! Look how stinky cute. This was Pinterest inspired, and look how cute. This one has a bell on it, and I used a bead for the nose. In the inspiration, they had like the little wood beads, but I don't have any, so I just used what I got. And I used 2 different yarns for these. This is that Dollar Tree thicker yarn, and then I just brushed it out to make it a little more fluffy. And then this is just like regular yarn that you crochet with. And these are so cute. I hope she loves them just as much as I did, because I'm just like, I love these. Okay, moving on. Lastly, we were to make a handmade gift. So just something that we like to do. It could be like, you know, I know a lot of us are paper crafters, but a lot of us do other things like me. I sew, I crochet, I also got into macrame, and so that is what I did as her handmade gift. And I made her a little miniature macrame plant hanger, and I put in one of these little succulents here. So stinking cute. And here's the hanging element, and she can just hang it somewhere on her wall or from the ceiling. It is a little itty bitty one. It all the way down to the tail is a little over 13 inches, but it's so stinking cute, and I hope you guys like it. Throughout my whole non-crafting moving and stuff, I really got into watching my DIYers again. And one of my favorite ones, she does bohemian style stuff, because I do like boho, and she was into macrame, and I was like, I've been wanting to do it, and I finally got into it. So I hope you guys like it. I hope she likes it. But yeah, but that is what I created for this swap, and I hope you guys enjoyed my creations. I really hope that Lynn, I hope you like what I did. This was trying to, you know, when you've been out of the game for a while and try to hop back in, you don't know what to do with yourself. So I do hope that you like it. I hope you guys liked it too. So if you did, make sure you give your girls a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.